Steps to how to bathe my Yorkie puppy. 1. Before the bath, you should brush your puppy to eliminate dust, dirt, and mites from them. The hairs of the puppy will not get tangled if you brush them before their bath. 2. Get the water ready and make sure it is lukewarm. Too cold or too hot water will make your puppy uncomfortable. 3. If you are making plans to bathe your puppy in a bathtub, then put a mattress on the base so that your dog may not slip and hurt itself during the bath. 4. Use good quality shampoos and soap, which are specially made for dogs. Using human shampoo will degrade their hairs and are toxic for dogs too due to the presence of harsh chemicals in it. 5. While bathing your puppy, avoid getting soap and lather in their eyes, mouth, and ear. 6. Always use warm water to rinse your Yorkie puppy. You can use a handheld sprayer or a hose to make the process of rinsing easier. Do not use a greater force of water as it may hurt the puppies. Ensure that no soap or shampoo should be present in the puppy. 7. Once the rinsing is complete, use a soft towel to dry them up, if it is not advised, as your Yorkie can lose its natural fur shine and may suffer. Benefits of bathing and grooming a Yorkie. 1. Bathing your Yorkie is an adventure ride in which both of you can enjoy. As now you are aware of how to bathe my Yorkie puppy, let us know some of the benefits of regularly bathing and grooming a Yorkie puppy. Dogs often get smelly after a few days. Bathing them with fragrance shampoos keeps them tidy and smell-free. You will observe neatness in their paws, area near and us clean and dirt-free. 2. Bathing your Yorkie puppy is the best way to create bonding with your dog. Your puppy would enjoy and be relaxed with a repeated circular motion and will become stress-free. The more often you bathe your dog, the more you would enjoy their bathing. 3. Bathing your dog by using shampoos and conditioners make their coat soft and fluffy. Many owners use coconut oil or some natural products after using shampoo. This helps to keep moisture in their fur and prevent their skin from drying out. 4. If you bathe your Yorkie puppy and dogs more often, they will shed less, so you do not have to worry about vacuuming your house much. 5. And are less prone to allergies, bacteria, and mites. This is because a maximum of the allergens is removed from the body of the dog at the time of bathing. 6. Bathing your dog gives you a chance of watching their body closely, so you can check for swollen gums and other skin and hair related problems while you